Are you ready to modernize your business? Through this educational video and accompanying PPT slide, we help you take that first step toward digital transformation. Navigate the digital future with our insightful PPT template on the importance of digital transformation strategy. Not only that, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. Deploy this PowerPoint framework to answer your team's burning questions, including the all-important why. Bring awareness among your workforce regarding the digital transition to stay ahead of competition with a visual slide. Use this PPT template to convince and motivate employees with the advantages of bringing digitization to your organization. Ensure everyone is on board on the plan, with a target in mind and a strategy in place to ensure a smooth implementation process. Modernize your business operation with a download of this PPT set. For more such business-related presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net today.